Okay, so this problem is going to be similar to the one in the last video where we're trying to come up with the exponential function. So again, we want that model f of x equals a b to the x. Now they don't give us the ordered pairs. We are going to have to read them off the graph, but we luck out a little bit here. First of all, there's a point right here. We know the y-intercept. That's going to be very helpful to us. So we know that point is 0, 3. So that means if we plug in, let's see, 0 for x, we're getting out a 3 for f of x, right? Okay, but b to the 0, by the way, b can't be 0. It's got to be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. We know this just equals 1. So 3 equals a times 1, or 3 equals a. So great, now we know what a is. So we can say f of x is equal to 3b to the x. We still have to figure out what b is, so we're going to need another ordered pair. So I think the easiest one to pull off is probably this one right here. That really goes through that point. And so we have x being 2 and the output being 12. So we'll put in 2 for x and 12 for f of x. So if I divide both sides by 3, I get 4 equals b squared. If I take the square root of both sides, I get b equals plus or minus 2. However, we just said a minute ago that b has to be greater than 0, and it can't be 1. So b has to be greater than 0, and b cannot be 1. Those two restrictions are true. Okay, so I'm going to have to take the positive 2 for b. So b is equal to 2. Now I know what a is. I know what b is. I can use the model and just write f of x equals 3 times 2 to the x. I probably would write it with like that with the parentheses. Okay.